Everybody, it's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's April 27th, Saturday. Welcome back. Check it out. Quick tent update. Let me show you what we got going on. Let me show you where we stand with everything. It's looking a little sketchy out here. And what I mean by that is that's actually looking pretty good over there. But basically, I've been munching on everything here. I wanted to make this quick video, talk about a little bit about what's going on in the tent and anything else that is on my mind, but probably majority of this will be gone by today. Definitely this area right here, I will consume the remainder today. Check these out. The kales were actually pretty cool. I mean, some of them just got jacked up. I don't know how that even happened right there. Look at that. Look at that burn mark. That's like literally burn mark. But, oh, I didn't even realize my top bulb went out. Huh. I had no idea. That is interesting. Now that I know, I'm gonna have to look into buying a new bulb for that end. This is a 4 bulb, by the way, guys. If you didn't say, this is a 4 bulb. That's crazy. Interesting. I've had it for probably already like 3 years, maybe 4 years, and I have not had that happen. But anyway, this is what's going on. I got to get all the new plants going. So I got the stuff inside and I got stuff outside. Check this out. Check that out. I got a little grow out there, and we'll head out there in just a minute. But I wanted to show you what I got going on out there. I got some tomatoes out there. I got, I think, mint, and I forgot what else I have out there, but it's looking pretty good. You know, every year I got to try it out a little bit. I might even put some cucumbers out there. Who knows? But this is really what's going on. I mean, this thing is just like clobbered. These were delicious, actually, and I mean, everything looked pretty good. But isn't this interesting how it grows? I mean, look at that. Like, it started out at the bottom. It's so weird. I'm so confused sometimes. Like, I have no idea why this lettuce, after it gets to an extended point, grows like that. Like, it literally just grew like a large stalk, and these things were just kind of coming out of the side. It's so weird to me because you never see this at a supermarket. Like, you never see a head of lettuce that look like that. Like, what is that? Look at that. What in the world is that? By the way, that kale, unreal. Unreal. These little kales right here, they're literally unreal. They're like sweet. You never taste this from the supermarket. I don't know. It tastes amazing. It literally tastes unbelievably sweet. I don't know why. But I'm actually just going to rip this off and munch on them. But after today, this whole thing will have to get cleaned up. And I'll start planting some new lettuce. These lettuces right here, these were supposed to be like short, small-headed like romaines. That's why, you know, after a certain amount of time, if you don't cut them, they start extending out in the root right here, and basically the stem system right here, and they just get super long and top heavy, and they kind of just fall over, as you can see. So that's pretty interesting. By the way, my name is Mike. I am a hydroponic indoor grower. I run here Grow Indoors 365. Also, you can find me on growindoors365.com. Everything that I currently use for all my growing equipment is all linked down below in the video. If you're new here, make sure to give me the thumbs up. Make sure to hit the bell, and hit subscribe. I don't know they're coming. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, give me the thumbs up, and hit that bell because I want you guys to receive notifications every single time I upload a video. This is looking good down here. A couple of small kales. I love it. So overall, the grow is looking pretty good. Let's see here. What do you guys think I should grow next? I'm definitely going to be putting in some basil. I love basil, but the thing is, basil literally grows like a freaking weed. Like, I use these little, these are called rockwool cubes, and that's the growing medium. If you're new to the channel and you don't know what a lot of this stuff is, that's a rockwool cube. These are hydrotone pebbles that we put around the net pods, and this basically sustains it inside. It holds it in. So when I grow basil, I put like 5 seeds in here, okay? And what happens is it literally grows 5 plants. So it's like a mega situation. Also for you guys, I'm gonna do an experiment. I did this last year. It is, I clone, okay? I cloned basil. And what that means is, let me show you guys. Let's say a basil plant looks like this, right? You cut one of the stems off a basil plant in a certain way, and then what you do is you literally take this post, okay, the stem, and you would put it into the growing medium, and literally an entire new plant that will grow out to be like this just from one single stem will come out to be a large plant. It's unbelievable. It's actually beautiful to watch because, I don't know, it's just so interesting. That's one of the other things why I love growing my own food. It's one thing because it's like super fresh and delicious, okay? This is all like super fresh, delicious veg, and it's awesome. But it's also the fact that like you're able to grow this. Like, this is like weird. You know what I mean? Like, it's just incredible to me sometimes when I think about it that you could take a small little seed, plant it, and do what we do, and all of a sudden you have this like alien form looking weird plants. I mean, look at this thing. What in the world is this? It's unbelievable. That's one of the other reasons why I love doing this. It's a hobby, showing you guys what I'm doing, what I'm growing, and stuff like that. It's fantastic. Anyway, this is what's going on in the grow tent. I'm gonna have a total new lineup very soon. Let's head outside, okay? Let's do it. All right, guys, so we have made it outside, and this is what I got going on. Now, there's gonna be an awesome transformation in the next, like, actually a little while, probably in the next week. For the next week's episode, I'm gonna have some cool stuff right here. What I'm doing is, so as you can see over there, I'm not sure if you guys ever saw this. And, oh, you know what? This is actually a perfect thing to show you guys about what I did here. I actually installed, check this out. This is incredible. I'm gonna do a totally separate video on this and let you guys know everything about it. So I installed a rainbird system. Have you guys ever heard of it? It's literally, it's a sprinkler system, and it goes through here. I dug it underground. I have all these videos about it. You can't even see it, but you could see this little head right here because I just recently replaced it because I hit it with the lawnmower. But it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-head system. It works fantastic. Look, check this out. I could just like water now, and I could put it in for a couple minutes. I'm going to put the link down below if you guys are interested in this, and I'm just going to water it for 5 minutes. Hit that, but also it can be timed. It's on a timer, but check this out. It's freaking awesome. It'll start going, but the reason why I want to show you guys this, it works really well. It'll get going in a second, and it really covers the yard really well, as you can see. It's super windy out here. Hopefully the sound is all right, but the sprinkler system definitely works really well. See that? It's awesome. And did I tell you guys that this system is like 170 bucks? Yeah, I didn't pay $2 grand to have somebody come out here and do the whole thing. That's ridiculous. I've actually invested some money into some new heads, and the sprinkler is like way different because it goes to like a certain degree, which is just like a much higher area point. It's freaking awesome. But that's what's going on here. But the reason why, sorry guys, the reason why I was telling you this is so I actually bought this new thing. There's going to be a piece that goes right here with a double kind of like spout like this. And this will stay here. So the double spout will probably go here actually, right? And as soon as this turns on, it'll turn this on, and the additional spout will go over here. There's going to be, I already bought it, and what it is it's a mister, and so it's gonna like be set up right here. I'm gonna put it across this perimeter right here, and it's gonna mist every morning. You can buy that thing now wireless, but this is currently run on a time and battery, and it's gonna mist this entire area every single time that these things go off in the morning. So as soon as like the summer comes around and it's getting a lot hotter and stuff, right? It's a pain in the butt to come back down, to come back over here and you know, like water everything. At least it is for me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the whole thing up. I really should have put these things out front. These are husky cherry tomatoes. This is a husky cherry tomato plant. I'm going to be taking them out of all these containers and putting them into large containers that I have in my shed. So I'm pretty stoked about that. These are cherry tomatoes. Oh my God, this thing got huge. Oh my God, it's mint. The smell is unbelievable. Wow, look at that. I bought it as like a little baby. It was one little single stem. And I'm thinking, do you guys think that, is it a good idea? All right, so as you can see here, I live in a super wooded area. I mean, like super wooded. Time to time, I mean, of course, there's going to be spiders here, blah, blah, blah. I'm thinking about spraying this thing down with like a spider repellent situation. What do you guys think? Is that a good idea? I think it might be, because it'll prevent from spiders. Kind of like what they do is they climb in here a little bit and they create webs, and I really just hate that. I hate seeing webs on this. It makes me so angry. And this is, what did I buy here? This is spearmint. Freaking smells awesome. Oh, I love it. I love it. Again, this was cherry tomato. These are Better Bush hybrid tomatoes. I don't know what that is, but it sounded cool, and the plant looked just like super healthy and strong. As you can see, super nice strong stem on this thing. And this is called a Big Boy hybrid tomatoes. But this thing is also grown. We've gotten some like serious rain in the last like few days, so I do see some tremendous growth here. But I know that sustaining these plants to a certain degree over the next span of few months, it will require you know, significant amount of watering, and I'm willing to do that. That's why I bought the mister, and I'm going to show you guys how it sounds so funny. It's like a misting type of tubing, and the tubing will go from there, it'll come down here, and I'll get it situated right here where it'll just mist the whole area. It's gonna be freaking awesome. If you guys have something like this, let me know. But hey guys, I'm gonna leave a link down below if you guys are interested in this type of sprinkler system for your house. I mean, 180 bucks. I'll leave the link down below. Okay, it'll be titled like Rainbird sprinkler system. And I'm going to do a full-on review for you guys about this. I literally, whenever I tell people that I have a sprinkler system installed, and I only paid like $180 for it, and it came with all the heads, it came with the timer, it came with all the tubing, all the connectors. It's freaking incredible. It really is. It's unbelievable, and it really does the job it needs to. But I mean, if you have a yard this big, I think this is like maybe like 2,000. This is like 2,000, maybe 3,000 square feet. This system is for you. I mean, it's affordable, okay? Let's get real. In comparison to anybody else coming out to your house that'll charge you like $3 grand, look at that, boom. They all went away, okay? Just like any other sprinkler system. It's freaking awesome. For 180 bucks, you do this yourself. It's a pain in the butt, you know, to first like map it out and then dig. Because I had a ton of trees back here at one point, but I dug, put them underground, and I freaking love it. It really paid off having it, because when I first moved into this house, this entire backyard, would you believe if I told you it was all wood chips? It's taken me years, literally years, to get the grass to look like this, and it's not even like that great, because every single year I would put a like a weed killer. Biggest mistake, guys, let the weeds grow. Don't put any crazy weed killers in here, okay? Focus on just growing greenery, okay? Let it be as green as possible. That is my mission. All right, that is my mission. I did all this. Me and my wife, we outlined this, put the rocks on. I'm going to be getting some more rocks over here, because as you can see, I have two different rocks here, and of course, yeah, I got that side. Yeah, I got that different color one, because I don't know why I did that, but my wife's not happy about it, so we're gonna have to get more of this color and kind of push it back a little bit to make it look nice. This is my yard, guys. All right. Hey, I appreciate everybody for watching. Again, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell. This way you get notifications through email when I upload a video. I freaking love uploading these videos for you guys. How nice does this look? And I made this bed. I made this garden bed. I mean, it's like, it cost me maybe like $10 in material. And that's it. All right, much appreciated, guys. Thank you so much. It's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.